But as a side note, this is your save the date. So this is a big announcement coming up. A huge announcement coming up from myself and Jason of something that we have gotten the inside loop on here in Alberta for September long weekend. So this is the save the date right now. So if you're here, if you're watching, book September long weekend off and look forward to it, because we're gonna just do it. I can't tell you too much, but just do it. Just do that. Book September long weekend. Welcome everybody. It's the weekend, and you know what that means. That was a terrible intro. If any of you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm an administrator for the Overland Alberta Overland Alberta Facebook page. And then I'm also the creator and the admin for the Backpacking Alberta Facebook page. So what we're doing is this year, all the admins from those groups are getting together. We're going to go out for camping and hash out the events for 2022 and 2021, and have a camp out and just kind of hang out and shoot the shit a little bit. Probably not doing any trails this weekend, but it's springtime now, so we will be doing trails again, which I'm very looking forward to. So yeah, let's go. Directions I got and the GPS coordinates that I got and the Latin longitudes that I have been given, I don't think are correct, because that took me to the 7 mile flats, and there's nobody there. So I'm gonna keep driving down the FDR here and see if I can spot them. Hopefully we can before nightfall, but it's getting dark quick, so yeah. Okay, nobody panic and nobody say anything, but I definitely got lost.
As long as you're here.
I pulled up originally and I was like, this is the 7 mile campground. Like, I've been here before. I know where I'm going. And I pulled in, I went all the way that way. I went through almost every single one of these little loops except for this one. And I was like, they're not here. They're not here.
And Jason tried calling you on the radio.
Then I drove to where we went camping when we found Rick.
Oh, that's like way the heck over there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then I'm looking around, I'm like, Jay! Anybody? No, not a thing, right? Nothing. And I was like, well, everybody else would have gotten the same pin.
Yeah.
So I was probably in the right place last time. So I turned around and then spent the last 15 minutes just driving around all these other ones.
See,
and then just out of my corner of the eye, I saw Wilbur. I was like, yes! So sad. So sad.
We're just glad you... Oh yeah. How about you?
All right, Lost Trail, what are you guys making for breakfast?
Dave is making some bacon, and we're gonna have bacon and egg wraps for breakfast.
Ooh,
Morning.
I'm having sausage and egg wraps.
Love the wrap. Wraps are great.
Yep,
Handheld food is perfect.
indeed. All right, guys, so let's check out how this walk turned out last night. Look at that, eh? Not bad. So that is gonna be the cooking surface for our cowboy cooker that we're gonna make. What you doing, bees? Eating snow? Hmm?
So we head back. So he starts crying. Front page of the Well, when we arrived, they hadn't really gotten off the boat yet, so it was waiting. And then we went to do the train ride, came back to town, but I still hadn't gotten off.
Stepped away from the warm campfire for a bit and come down by the creek here. I'm gonna make a couple casts and see if there's any critters in this river worth eating. But to be honest, it's moving real slow. It's quite low. I can see the bottom and I don't see any fish. I think I'm gonna walk south more because we came from the north and it's all pretty dried up creek bed there. So I see some felled timbers over there, some recent deadfall. See if we go over there and see if there's anything nibbling on those dead branches. So you know, I'm not an avid fisherman. So if y'all happen to know a few tips and tricks on fishing gear and tackle and all that jazz, or even if you know a couple of good YouTube channels, Drop them down in the comments there, because this summer I'm going to do some more fishing. So normally I have high compliments of my Zeus, but he seems to be struggling with the cattle fence, even though he watched me walk through the passageway here. So let's just see how long it takes for him to figure this out. Yeah, I bet it's confusing. Well, see ya. Got Lost Trail Overland Outfitters out here with us.
Life is pretty sweet.
Camp life is always sweet. Dave's charcuteriing a pretty glorious looking steak right now. Just like Dave.
There's nothing grass fed about this.
Oh man, that's good. So tonight we're having burritos. And I got some jambalaya, cheese, and some sausage of some kind in here. And we're gonna eat that. And we're gonna have some fun times by the fire. Yeah, it's gonna be good.
To Dave, and Dave hops out and he's like, hey, isn't this great? Like, what are we gonna do? And I'm like, oh.
I was loving it, buddy. I was loving it. I was in my zone. I was in my zone.
Yeah.
Putting that little fronty in places like that is what I'm all about, man. It's just.
There was some frightening moments.
Oh yeah.
Good morning, bees.
Hi, bees. Good morning. Good morning, bees. All right, guys. So that's gonna do it for us today. I appreciate everybody coming by and stopping and seeing what we're up to, and everybody that came out this weekend. This was our Overland Alberta annual campout.
Yeah, annual. I like that idea.
Yeah, annual campout. And we needed to get together to kind of hash out some things that we've been...
There's some exciting stuff coming down.
Yes.
We wanted to use this opportunity to bring it out.
Yeah, so Jason and I have the opportunity to help put on the first Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo.
That was it right there.
So right now, this is a save the date. So September long weekend 2021, COVID pending, we are putting on a live event, live outdoor event.
And this is going to be a fun event, guys.
Yeah. So save the date. It's going to be fun. We have reached out to a lot of people in general. We've reached out to a lot of vendors. We're going to have some fun activities. But this is your save the date for the moment. So do not, don't plan anything other than that for September long weekend.
And there's going to be lots of camping. So be prepared to camp for the weekend. There's going to be a ton of fun activities.
Yep.
Some pretty cool characters showing up.
Yep.
Good rigs.
Yep.
Good food.
Yeah, there's gonna be, it's just gonna be a lot of fun, guys. It's gonna be a great time to get outside and mingle after the hellish year that some of us have had.
Absolutely. It's going to be a blast. So make sure you mark it on your calendars, guys.
Yep.
September long, 4th, 5th, and 6th. We're good to go.
Yeah, we will be as the weeks and the months progress. We're going to be releasing more information. So pay attention to our social medias, to the Overland Alberta page, to the Backpacking Alberta page, to our YouTubes, I guess, as well.
YouTube channels.
And pay attention to Lost Trail Overlanding, because they came out here finally with us. Do you guys remember them from the Four Corners Expedition?
They came a long ways.
Yeah, they drove a considerable ways for this. So we're really excited to share this with everybody. We're really excited to share this with Alberta.
Yeah.
We've got good feelings about this. So,
and Greg,
Yes.
Adventure 72.
Adventure Quest showed up as well, and I got my Adventure Quest patch. So
Oh, yeah. Awesome stuff.
that pretty well means that I'm legit now.
Yeah, we're legit because, and he's the guy that starts the big fires, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Greg's
he's-
why everybody stays warm.
pretty much. Big round of
Yeah, go on, one for Greg.
definitely hit that bell notification because there's going to be so many cool updates
Yes.
coming.
Yeah.
As this progresses, as it's a moving monster right now.
Yeah.
As it moves along, we want to introduce all that information to you. So hit that bell notification.
Smash that subscribe
Both
button. Smash
channels.
that like button. We need to get this going through the province like wildfire. So
Absolutely.
we're gonna make it
Absolutely.
happen. Thanks again, everybody.
Thanks,
Love you
guys.
all. See ya.
Don't go loose.